How to change language on Smart Wallet app. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, what you need to do is open the Smart Wallet app on your device. Once you do this, just go ahead and enter your PIN code, or just go ahead and enable the Touch ID and just go ahead and tap on settings after you open your screen. So once you open settings, you can just find the language option right under the other settings. Just scroll a bit down and find language. Go ahead and tap on language option over here and you can see a lot of languages available. You can select the language of your choice which you want to change into and tap on submit. Once you tap on submit, you can just wait for a while, and as you can see, all of the language has been changed. To revert it back, just go ahead and tap on settings. The globe icon is for language. Go ahead and tap on it. Just go ahead and tap on the first one and tap OK, as this is English. So this is how easy it is to change the language on the Smart Wallet app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.